Hey, hi everyone. In this particular lecture, we are going to learn about how to create a file or write a file in Node.js. Well, for that, we need to come on our Visual Studio Code. Here you can see I'm having two files, that is the script.js and the package.json file. You can get the package.json file after entering npm init in your terminal, right? So make sure that you do it before starting this process. So now, let's understand that how we can create it. So at first, you need to import the file system into your project, right? So for that, what we write const fs equals to require, and inside the bracket, you write fs. Fs is basically the file system. It is present in the documentation of the Node.js also. You can read more about it. And we are importing it into our project and storing it inside this fs variable, right? Now, we are going to use it. So for that, what we will write? We will write fs dot write file, keep the f as capital. After that, what we will do, we will write the name of the file which we want to create. Let's say the name of the file is something first dot txt, and after that, after writing the name of the file, you write the content that you want to put inside the file. That means the data. So let's say I'm saying that subscribe the channel for more content, right? Like this. So this is basically the data, right? Now after that, doing this, you what you need to do, you need to write a callback function. As you can see here also, a callback, right? So what is callback function? It is nothing, just a function. So just write a function here, function here, and inside of this we give a parameter that is error, right? Like this. And after that, what we write the basically a small logic that if there is a error, that is err, in that particular case you do what, console dot error, just show me that particular error, right? So let's write the err here. Else you do what, if there's no error, in that particular case you just print successful in my terminal, basically, right? So you will get that successful inside this terminal, or any error that occurred also in the terminal. Now after doing this, basically this is the whole code by which we create the file, right, and write the file in our Node.js. Now after doing this, you just need to come on your terminal and write the node. You first of all, you make sure that you save the file, right? So just write control plus means click control plus s, and make sure that you do it right. And then we write node script.js, right? And let's enter, and you can see I'm having successful, and a new file which is first.txt is created. Now if you enter inside this file, let's click on it. So you can see the subscribe the channel for more content, the data which we had given is now present here. So this is how we actually write file in our Node.js. I hope you understood the concept. This is a one way by which we do it with the help of write file, right? And it is done asynchronously it is done, right? But if you want to do it in a synchronous way, in that particular case, we just do one thing. Let me do it here only. Okay, let me copy it. It is very similar. Means in just when you do it in the synchronous way, right, then you get a blocking code. Means until this whole line of code get executed, uh, then only the other code will get started, right? But when you do asynchronous, in that particular case it runs in the parallel. So what's the method of doing it in a synchronous? That means in a blocking way, right? Blocking method, in that particular case you just need to write file and sync, like this. Do you get it? Now it will work as same, but when you create big projects, at that time what will happen, that until your this particular code get, until it get executed, your file get created, only then you will get all the other code get executed, right? So this is how it works. Let me show you again. Let me just delete this file, and just write, you can see again the file.txt is created and things are very similar. So this is how we create the file in our Node.js. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet in the next video very soon. Till then, goodbye.